and you can put the capybara in it. It can make a shaking noise if you do that. Which is actually for babies, except you need to hold this, so... Hi guys, I'm sick today, but, well, I am suitable enough to be doing TikTok videos, but I can't make them Let's Play videos since I have to edit them a lot. I am rating my ASMR toys from 1 to 10. Let's get started. ASMR toy number 1. This toy is connected by magnets, you see? If I disconnect them and flip them, they go like this. Just need to put them apart, to put them together the right way, and they'll snap. Here's how to use it. So there's exactly 2 layers, you see? And if it's possible, I might be able to put it like at the second layer. Yeah, like this. And then the first layer. I rated a 10 out of 10. It's actually really satisfying for me. Next toy. Hello Kitty. This toy can let you change her emotions, but it's too quiet. It doesn't make noise, so it can't make ASMR, but it is satisfying to roll her emotions. I got this from a blind box. Next toy. Camera theme. This cannot make ASMR. Well, but pressing the buttons is satisfying. It just makes the cover noise. Oh wait, cheese! Next toy. Sorry for the noise, that wasn't me. And this is my capybara. It's so tiny and it can't make any noise. It's not satisfying either, but it's not supposed to be a fidget toy. It's part of a fidget toy. Or what I say, an ASMR toy. So, this is part of an ASMR toy. Bye bye. Next toy. This is my go-kart. And you can put the capybara in it. It can make a shaking noise if you do that. Which is actually for babies, except you need to hold this, so... And it has a chance of coming out of the big league look. So, well, here is like my go-kart, and here is my thing. Now, let's get a vision of the floor, because if I put my go-kart at the floor, you can't see it. So, let me just... Sorry, it's back camera, so I won't be able to use both of my hands. I could also use my Hello Kitty toy inside the cart, and then my capybara also inside the cart. And then room it. But there's a high chance of crashing because the Hello Kitty is so big. And then the camera can ride it. I haven't tried this yet, but the cart can ride, the thing can ride it, everything here can ride it. But it has a chance of crashing and falling out. The capybara is too small, so it can get out the back. and the front. Sorry, you guys didn't see it right. Alright, let me fix the camera. Alright, the camera is back to normal. And I got this bonus plushie here. It's so cute. My mom got it for me. Smell. It smells sweet. Smell. Why does it have carrots at the bottom? Alright, I think that is it, guys. And I'll be leaving. This video is going to be unedited because I'm sick and I can't edit. Bye! Jangan lupa subscribe dan like untuk video guys.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.